fine, we build nations. Though they tried to erase us, our spirit unbroken, yeah, they couldn't replace us. Benjamin Banneker mapped out the stars. Frederick Douglass turned chains into bars. George Washington Carver, a genius with the soil, turned peanuts to power through sweat and toil. Red light, stop sign, Gary Morgan in the mix. Traffic flow smooth, yeah, that's one of our tricks. Madam C.J. Walker with the hustle unmatched. First millionaire breaking ceilings, no cracks. Black hands made this, black minds paved this. 400 years of greatness, they can't erase this. Inventions, achievements, we rise, we strong. This is the anthem of the 400-year song. Oh, oh, oh. Sarah Boone ironed the creases, made life clean, while out on my lit streets powered up the dream. Oldest boy, can we resist us? Hearts now beat. Tech that saved lives, man, that's elite. Lonnie Johnson brought heat. Super soaker flow from toys to NASA. His genius would glow. Percy Julian broke the mold. Chemists on the rise, turning soybeans to cures, opening eyes. Hip hop to jazz, culture runs in our veins. From Marley to Kendrick, we breaking the chains. Black Wall Street thrived, though they burned it to ash. We rebuilt, stood tall, always making it last. Black hands made this, black minds paved this. 400 years of greatness, they can't erase this. Inventions, achievements, we rise, we strong. This is the anthem of the 400-year song. Oh, oh, oh. To the astronauts breaking gravity's law, made Jefferson soar, left the world in awe. To all the teachers shaping futures every day, black excellence shines in every way. We built the pyramids, we mapped the Nile. Kings and queens reigned in magnificent style. So remember the legacy, the struggle, the fight, with a blueprint of pride.